Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by entering origin, destination, and dates, and you'll immediately see price insights. Once done, adjust passengers and cabin class so results match your needs. This filters hidden fare rules. Make sure to enable nearby airports and the flexible date calendar to expose cheaper options across a week or month. You do this now to avoid redoing filters later and to let Google Flights pre-compute price trends and handy graph views for quicker decisions. Next, you refine results using the price graph and date grid so you can visually compare departures and savings. Then apply filters for stops, airlines, times, and a maximum price to focus on viable itineraries. Doing so reduces overwhelm and surfaces the best balance of cost and convenience. Click any flight to inspect fare rules, baggage allowances, and the booking links. This matters because low fares sometimes exclude bags or have strict change policies. Know that before you book. Finally, select a booking link and verify the full price including taxes and fees. This prevents surprises at checkout. Before you complete payment, review fare rules, seat maps, and frequent flyer earning. These can affect refunds and upgrades. If the price disappears or updates, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or open an incognito window to rule out local caching. Alternatively, set a Google Flights price alert to notify you of future drops. This ensures you lock in the best available deal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.